Hello, everyone. Good morning. Welcome to our Forex Trading for Beginner live session for today. Okay. So my name is Leo and I remain your guide. Okay. So yesterday, I hope we made profit. I hope we all made profit because I made profit, even though it was little, but at least it's something. In Forex, you gather those profits, and then by the end of maybe the week, you see it piled up somewhere, then you make a withdrawal. Okay. So that is how Forex is traded. So yesterday I dropped this signal on our premium. Okay, this first one here, this Euro JPY. I said we should set a stop limit here yesterday, a buy limit rather yesterday, and then we set our TP and then our SL. But unfortunately, our market didn't trigger. Okay, so it didn't trigger. Now let me show you the chart. Let me show you what happened yesterday. So this is it. If you guys remember the trade we took yesterday, this is the trade. So this is what happened yesterday, guys. So our entry point was 158.741. Okay, so this is our entry point. I hope you can see my cursor. So this is our entry point yesterday. But look what happened. It didn't trigger because it didn't touch this line. Okay, didn't touch the purple line. So that's why our market didn't trigger yesterday. But look at what happened. It came up to our TP, which is our take profit. So at least with this and then the other signal that I dropped on the premium channel, we could have made better than this. Okay, so I closed my second signal, which is this one. I dropped the second signal on the premium channel for us that, we are in the premium channel. This is the signal that I dropped yesterday, and I closed my own trade at 3.70 profit. That is $3.70. Okay, $3.70. So you see, this is how Forex works. Okay, guys, and then you that haven't deposited on your BtcDana app, please make sure you do so. Okay, do that right now. Start depositing. You look, if you deposit here, that is what counts. Okay, if you don't deposit on this live stream right now, I'm not going to answer you if you come chatting me later that you've made a deposit. Okay, so if you want me to add you to the premium signal channel, you have to deposit right now. Deposit on this live stream right now. Okay, so when you deposit, I get you into the premium channel. So deposit at least $15. Okay, so I get you into the premium group. You have access to premium signals, market report, and more. Deposit up to $200. You get into the premium group, access to premium signals, market report, and many more. And then you have a privilege of a one-on-one session with me. Okay, a 1 hour Zoom live session where you can discuss whatever you are lagging, where you are lagging. Okay, whichever help you need from me, we can discuss it better privately. Okay, so for today, I want to make emphasis on the trade we took yesterday. Why we took the trade? Yesterday we talked about in our morning session we talked about forex analysis. Okay, we talk about the forex analysis using the fundamental and the technical analysis, and then the sentiment analysis also. I hope you guys remembered. Okay, so then in the afternoon class we proceeded in using our technical analysis on our chart, showing you guys how to place the trade, what you need to see in the technical charts before you can place any trade, either a buy trade or a sell trade. So as you can see, on our Euro JPY, we actually place a buy order here. Okay, we place the buy order. Then on our second signal, which is gold USD, XAU USD, you can also call it gold. Okay, So this was our second signal yesterday. It was a sell signal. Okay, so we traded different pairs, different currency pairs yesterday. We traded XAU USD and then Euro JPY. Okay, those are the two signals that this was provided on the live stream. The other one was dropped on the premium Telegram channel. Okay, the premium group. So let's continue from where we stopped yesterday. Now, support and resistance. Okay, so because I'm sure most of us are still wondering, this guy just took trade yesterday. Maybe you came in later after I've explained what support and resistance is. So that is why I want to help you now. Okay, so please pay attention. Okay, pay attention. Get a pen, uh, get a sheet of paper, and write down whatever details I'm passing out here, okay? Because every bit of the information I'll be passing out is very, very important, okay? So you'll be needing it as you move on with your journey in the Forex trading market, okay? So every bit of information is very, very, very important. It's very vital, okay? So yesterday we discussed about support and resistance. Okay, how support and resistance works, what we use them for. So this is just for you that didn't get the chance to participate yesterday. Okay, let me just bring this slide up so that we can see it better, clearly, much clearer. Okay, so yesterday we discussed about support and then the resistance. And fortunately for us, fortunately, after just around discussing, we saw an opportunity. Okay, so the opportunity was there was a support around this zone, which we drew out. Okay, we drew the support out. And what do I say support is? I said a support is a place where the market would reverse. Okay, so maybe the market has been selling for long for some times. Okay, the market has been selling for some times. Then when it gets to that support zone, this support zone, they are concentrated levels, a concentrated level where buyers are. Okay, so the people that wants to buy, the people that wants to buy this market, they want to start buying. They are in this zone. Okay, the market has been dropping, has been dropping for so long. Okay, so while they keep dropping, those guys, the people that wants to buy, they already have that level. And how do you know that there are buyers there? That is when you have rejections. Remember, I made mention of rejections. So those rejections are, you see the market jogging around that zone. Okay, so every time the market touches that zone, it tries to go back. Every time it touches it, it tries to move up. Okay, so whenever the market is behaving such way on such zones, we say that zone is filled up with buyers. Okay, so the people that wants to buy the market are the people that are there. They are the one controlling the market from that particular zone. Okay, so whenever the market gets to such point, the market will pause for a bit. So that person is going to try and make a decision if either the buyers are going to take over or the sellers are going to overpower the buyers and then break out. Okay, I hope you understand my explanations. Now look at this market. Fortunately for us, if assuming our market triggered, okay, if assuming we got into the buy position that we placed, we would have TP around this area. Okay, so I actually went long on this, but for a very short while. Okay, so because this is a 30-minute candle, and I think our market TP'd around, okay, there was a news that came out yesterday, so it went up instantly. I think about 30 minutes or 1 hour or so, the market already TP'd. That is, the market already made the profit that we needed. Okay, then thereafter, yes, you can see in this picture, the market came back down again. Okay, it came back down and broke our support. Okay, so this is the support that we drew earlier. Okay, where we said our market was going to reverse from. And this is an example of market pausing that I've made mention several times. Okay, so the market paused around this zone. You see, it's paused. How did it pause? It was trying to go back up. It was trying to move back up. Okay, it was trying to go up. Then it started to come down again. But the buyers here, they got weaker. Okay, they got weak, and then the market was able to push down, which means the buyers, there's something we call buyers. We call it daily buyers. That is not BYU, not BUY like the buy. Okay, the buyers I'm talking about is BAIS. Okay, buys, BAIS. So the buys of this sell market is very strong. Okay, the buyers of this sell market is very strong. So which is telling us that the sellers are much more stronger than the buyers. So that is why our market reversed. Okay, it actually reversed for some times, but it got broken later, telling us that the buyers, they actually took over the market for a while. They wanted to go up, but the sellers overtook them again, making the market drop down further. Okay, so now look at this second example, which is our gold XAU USD. So in the premium channel, I gave a signal for a sell. I said the market was going to drop down. Okay, and it did. It dropped down massively. Okay, so what happened here was there's a support, there's a resistance zone around this area. Okay, so the market has been juggling around this area for a very long time. So when I saw the market, I knew that it was going to come down. The market was coming. It tried to come back, it tried to come back up. Okay, so it came up to this level, then it started to drop down again. Okay, so what I saw in this level is that, sorry. Okay, so what I saw here before I placed this order was a resistance zone. Okay, so there was a resistance zone around this area. Let me mark it out for you guys to see. Okay, sorry, just a moment, guys. Doesn't matter. Let's just continue. Okay, so let me just move it out. I wanted to change the background, but that's a bit of a work. Okay, so you see this zone around here, okay, so let me bring out the slide again so that we'll see it much clearer. Okay, okay, so around this area there was a resistance around this area. Okay, so the market has been trying to go down. Okay, as you can see this level. Okay, the market tried to go up here, around here. So but when it got to this point, it started to drop down again. Okay, which make this zone a strong resistance zone. Okay, So when I saw this zone, what I did was when the market started to come back up again, I drew out a zone. I drew out the zone. Okay, so I drew out the nearest candle that broke out. The first candle that broke out of this zone, the first candle that broke out, I knew it was going to retest, it was going to reject that candle and continue to go back down. So that is why I drew the candle out. I drew it out using this box. Okay, this long rectangular box. Okay, so I drew it back, I'll drew it out. So when the market came back to that point, it started to go back down again. Okay, so that is what support and resistance is all about. Okay, guys, I hope you understand the concept of support and resistance now. Okay, so let me share the live screen with you guys because I don't know why this. Let me share the live screen. My trading. Okay. So those are the trades we took yesterday. As you can see, this is the first trade. Okay. So this is the first position, our pending order for yesterday. This is it. Okay, you see, it says pending order not carried out. Okay, so as I've explained earlier, the pending order did not execute. Why? Because the market didn't get to that particular point. It's not as if it didn't go down, no. Okay, it went down, but it didn't get to that particular point we wanted to get to before going up. Okay, and this was our second trade. Okay, this was our second trade, and this is how much I was able to acquire from the second trade. Okay, so guys, please deposit. Start depositing right now so that I can add you into the premium signal channel group. Okay, start depositing. This money you are depositing is not for me. It's still for your own good. You are going to be using it to trade on your own account. Okay, deposit at least $15. I get you into the group. I provide you signal so that you can start making money the way I'm making right now. Okay, imagine me making just 3 point almost $4 yesterday. Okay, assuming I made another $4 from here, how much is that? So that will be around $8 in total. Yeah. Now imagine me making $8 every day per day, non-stop. Okay, making $8 from Monday to Friday. Huh? You see how beautiful this is? This is dollars. If you calculate this in naira now, this is almost 4,000 naira. I'm telling you guys. Okay, so try and make deposit. Start depositing right now. Let's go back to our support and resistance. Okay. Sorry guys, just a moment. I don't know why this is hanging. So I'm trying to get back to our market so that we can draw another support and resistance. Then if possible, if we see any trade, we are going to place another order. Okay, so this is the benefit of you having a real account. If you have a real account now, we'll be making the same dollars together. Okay, so you'll be making money while you are still learning. You'll be learning how to trade the financial market, the forex market, and you are earning money. Imagine acquiring $3.85 daily. You are not doing anything though. All from benefit of depositing into your trading account. Okay, you deposit, which is funding of your account. I give you free signal. You make this money, and when you start to make this money, seriously, you can start making withdrawals weekly. Okay, imagine me making this same amount every day. Every day, do you know how much I'm going to be making before the end of the week? Huh? So guys, please go and make your deposit. Okay, so I'm trying to restart my screen. So let's just continue with this for now. Okay. So remember I said we have um, the fundamental analysis also, okay? But the fundamental part of the analysis, I'm not going to be introducing you guys to it on this live stream session, okay? So when you deposit up to $200, yeah, that is when I'm going to tell you about the fundamental analysis, okay? The fundamental analysis is also a very beautiful part of forex trading, okay? So before you can become a professional forex trader, you need the fundamental analysis. Okay, so like I said, it's an economical and political factor that affects an economy. Okay, a factor that affects economy. So whenever it's affecting the economy, it's also affecting the currency supply and demand. Okay, so deposit up to $200, and I'll teach you how I make my fundamental analysis, where I get my fundamental analysis from. Okay, so how I make them, how I see them. Now there are information about them. There are things you need to see before you can decide where the market is going, the direction of the market. Is today going to be profitable from this fundamental analysis, or is today going to be negative for this fundamental analysis? So before you can get this, we have what we call insight. Okay, so you use your inner eyes to see the market, not just the news. You are reading the news, okay, but while reading the news, it's going to tell you, while reading the news, it's going to tell you what you need to know, okay. It's going to tell you what you need to know, but that thing that you need to know, I'm not going to tell you now. Okay, so it's an expensive information. Yeah, let me just put it that way. It's an expensive information for you. So for you to get this information from me, for you to get the fundamental analysis information from me, deposit up to $200. When you have the $200, I'll give you the fundamental analysis. In fact, if you start depositing at least $15 right now in this live stream, okay. So let me even do it this way. Deposit up to $15. Okay. So I need about, let's say 20 people before afternoon. 20 people from this live stream session. If you deposit up to $15 right now, I might decide to teach you that deposit in that deposit up to $15, the fundamental analysis, because it's very, very important, guys. It's very, very important if you want to move ahead. Okay, you need the fundamental part of our analysis. The technical part is what I've been showing you since yesterday, the support and resistance. Okay. And then the trend line, the one we drew yesterday, you know, I said the trend line also serve as our support and resistance, but just that you are drawing a line, okay, that is joining the market, either joining the low or the highs together. Okay. And I made the example on our Euro JPY trade yesterday. Hope you remembered. Okay. So for our fundamental analysis, deposit, I need just 20 people to deposit. So if you have fast fingers, start typing right now. Start typing $15. Okay, deposit up to $15, and I'll teach you the fundamental analysis in the afternoon session. So you get to know what fundamental analysis is, and then you get to start make money in the afternoon. Okay, because this afternoon section, seriously, my make more than we made yesterday. Okay. I know some of us, we are just joining now. So let me just retake what we've been saying from the beginning. Okay. So in any market, in any forex market, either BTC market, cryptocurrencies market, indices, whatever pair you are trading, okay, we have what we call the technical analysis. Okay, and what we mean by technical analysis is majorly our support and resistance. So how we look at the market, where the market is going to reverse, where we want to start placing our order. Okay, so we don't just want to look at the market, because I know I, as a newbie, the mistake I did when I was just starting out was I go to the market. I, you know, when I open my chart like this, the first thing I do is I saw the market going down, I start selling. Or I saw the market going up, I start buying. Okay, and that is a very bad decision. It's a very bad decision. So it's as if I'm doing how is it called? I'm guessing. Okay, so I'm guessing where the market is going. I'm guessing the direction of the market. Okay, so because I'm seeing red candles. Yeah, a friend of mine already told me that whenever I see a red candle, it means the market is selling. Whenever I see a blue candle, it means the green candle, it means the market is buying. So that was my first deposit. That was a long time ago. So my first deposit, what I did was anytime I see a green candle, I start buying. Okay. Anytime I see a red candle, I start selling because I thought it was that easy. But the funniest thing is, I started blowing all of my money. All the capital I deposited on my account, I blew it off. Okay. So that is why it is very, very, very important for you to pay attention. Okay. Pay attention to what I'm saying. Make sure you are always present when we have the live session. Okay. So, and money is a motivator. That is why I have said if you deposit up to $15, you start making money in your account. Okay, so you start making money, and you get to learn how to trade the financial market also. Okay, we are not stopping. We won't stop teaching you. Okay, we are going to continue teaching you day by day, every day, so that you get familiar with the forex market, so that later you can start trading. You can start placing positions yourself. Oh, you say, oh yeah, that guy, Leo, he said when the market gets to this point, the market is going to start buying. Okay, so now the market has gotten to that point. Let me place a buy trade. Okay, so trust me, that time is coming. Okay, but for now, you need to pay attention. Because I know all of us here, we are in a hurry to start making money. But I've made it easy for you, haven't I? I've made it easy. Just deposit in your account and let's start making money together. Okay, let's start making the money together. You are learning, you are earning money. You are learning how to trade yourself, you are earning money. The deposit you are making is not for me, it's still for you. Okay, So what I'm going to be helping you to do is I'm going to be helping you to take it from $15, you know, taking it up maybe in a day from $15 to $20. Isn't that amazing? You start with $15. By the end of the day, you close profit or you went home with $15. With a profit of $5. You are making around, instead of $15, you are now seeing $20, which means you can even withdraw the $5, or you can just leave it till the end of the week where you've acquired much more profit. Okay, say before the end of the week, you are seeing around $30. You started with $15. That means you made 100% profit in just a week. Okay, guys. So the $15 you're depositing is not for me. Okay, it's for your own use. It doesn't matter if you are a newbie. I keep telling you guys, it doesn't matter. This is just a motivation for you guys. Okay, so whenever we are learning anything, and we are making money, it makes us pay more attention. Okay, so that is why I want you guys to deposit into your BtcDana account. Deposit on your account. Deposit at least $15. Okay, so that you get the benefit. You get the benefit of making money. You are making money and you are learning at the same time. Every time we come live like this, you'll be making money. Okay, so when I give out the signal, you start to make money. Okay, it's very, very, very important. I know how hard it is for all of us right now. So it is not going to be easy if we are just here talking, or learning. It's not going to be easy. The concentration is not going to be there. But the concentration will be there if you are making money. Okay, you are making money and you are learning. So the concentration is going to be there because you are going to pay attention to whatever it is that you are learning. You know why? Because you know that back end money they run, dollar is counting. Okay, don't mind me, Jerry. That wasn't necessary. Okay, so I'm going to keep repeating deposit until you guys deposit. I told you I don't want to give any information about the fundamental analysis on this live stream. But if you want to know about the fundamental analysis, I'm actually in a good mood today. So I'm planning to teach at least 20 people. So I want to get a 20 deposit. Okay. So deposit at least $15, get into the group, and then I'll teach you fundamental analysis. Start depositing now. Tomorrow might be too late because tomorrow now I might just move it to $200 again. So I might say, if you want to learn the fundamental analysis, the fundamental analysis is for those that deposit up to $200. Okay, we already know what the technical analysis is. It's all about our support and resistance. The fundamental analysis, you can easily go to the market and look at what is going on, look at the news and all. But there are informations, there are insights that you need to know, which I'm not going to be saying here. Okay, so those informations are what I'm going to be providing you in the premium channel. On that premium channel, you that paid for the premium channel, I'm going to make maybe another separate class for us. Okay, so on that class, I'll be giving you the expo that you need for the fundamental analysis. Okay, so that is what I plan on doing. But I need at least 20 people to make a deposit. Like I said, the money you are depositing is not for me. Okay, it's not for me. It's not for the company you are depositing into either. It's not for the broker, which is BtcDana. Okay, so it is for you yourself, you that deposited it. It is for you. Okay, so it is my own way of encouraging you to come to this class, okay, and keep learning, because whenever we are here, we'll analyze the market together, and maybe in the afternoon session we start to place trades. Okay, so you place trade, you make money. Your money, you are making money. You are making money and you are learning at the same time. So before the end of our class, we'll start, you know, closing our profit before the end of the session. Okay. I already showed you the profit that I made yesterday. Okay. And it's from my live account. Okay. So I'm trying to bring up my screen again. Okay. To show you the profit I made from yesterday. Just a moment, guys. It will be up in a moment. Okay. So I'm sharing my screen in 3, 2, 1. So this is it. You see? So this is the profit I made from yesterday. So in case you didn't join us from the earlier, from the beginning of this session, those are the two trade we placed yesterday. So this first one here, this is the first one we tried to place yesterday. So it was a pending order, but it was not carried out. Okay, meaning it wasn't executed. Okay, so we placed a pending order for Euro JPY yesterday, but it didn't execute. And the reason is because the market didn't get to the point where we want it to get to before our order get executed. Okay. But this second one here, we dropped it in the premium channel, okay, and everybody made money from it. Okay. So this is the amount I made personally. Okay. So the reason why I actually closed this trade at a very small price like this, because I could have leave this trade to run even up to $10. Yes. Okay. I have the balance. Okay. So the reason why I closed when it got to $3 is because I want you that is depositing at least $15 to be able to, I want you to know that you can make more than this. Okay. And looking at this isn't small at all. Okay. So imagine I made this yesterday. This is almost 4,000 naira in Nigerian currency. This is almost 4,000 naira. Okay. So imagine me making around 4,000 naira per day. Calculate it. with just as little as $15. Okay, just as little as $15, and you get to make this profit daily. Isn't that beautiful? So this is it, guys. I just want you to see our market from yesterday, just for those that are just joining. Okay, so this was our SL for the first market. This is where we set our TP. Okay, so our market was supposed to trigger from here. This is our opening price. Okay, but unfortunately the market didn't get to this point. I think it was just 2 pip left for the market to get executed. So you remember what I said by pip? And if you remember, if you started this class with us, this session with us, you remember I said Euro JPY. Any pair that carries JPY, they are always rounded up in 3 decimal points. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3 before the decimal point. Okay, so on the other pairs, on the other forex pairs, is always the first one, then decimal point before the rest. Okay, then if you remember vividly, I said the fourth digit after the decimal point is our pip. Okay, that is from our first live session. Okay, I said the fourth digit is our pip. The fourth digit after the decimal point is our pip. But for any pair that carries JPY along, you see they have 1, 2, 3 before the point. Okay, so after the point, the second digit, the second figure here, which is this 4, is our pip. Okay, the second number here is our pip. So the market actually triggered around 721. Okay, it didn't get to 741. So that is about 2 pip. Okay, that is about 2 pips. So our market didn't get executed because it didn't get to 741. Okay, so it got executed from the market starts reversing from 721, 158.721. That was the price. Okay, so for our second trade that got triggered, I'm coming, let me show you. For the second trade we took, you see, closed by trader. So I was the one that closed this personally. Okay, so I made 3.85 and I closed. Okay, so you can decide to close your profit when you are satisfied. It doesn't really matter if we have our take profit. Okay, so this is a way of saying we don't want to be too greedy. Okay, so we have our TP. The TP is very far from where I closed the market, but the market still got to my TP. Okay, it still got to my TP. But I didn't wait for the market to get to the TP. Why? Because when I saw $3.8, it was okay for me. Okay, I didn't want to get too greedy. I didn't want to be greedy. Okay, so look at this. We opened the position from here. This is our opening price. Okay, this is our opening price. This is XAU USD. This is gold. Okay, this is a gold. And then this is our TP, and this is our stop loss. Okay, so that was our TP and that was our stop loss. Now let's go back. Let's go back to our slide. Let's go back to the slide and see if there's anything or any question or inquiry you guys want to ask me about this. So right now, our session is always for 1 hour, and we already used about 47 minutes. Okay, so that leaves us with just 30 minutes. Okay, so for this next 30 minutes, if you have any question at all, feel free to ask me concerning everything that we've discussed. Okay, or if you want to make a deposit and don't know how to deposit, you can ask us right now, and I'll be able to guide you through it. Okay, so I'm giving you 5 minutes to ask me anything you want. And if you haven't made a deposit, don't forget to deposit, please. Make a deposit now. Deposit at least $15. Okay, deposit $15 because in the afternoon session we are going to be taking another trade, another profitable trade. I promise you guys. Okay, just $15. Deposit $15 in your account, in your trading account. You are going to be using it to trade. Okay, so this $15 is not as if I'm collecting it from you. It's for your own good. I just want you to deposit. I want you to be serious. I want to see the seriousness in you. I want to see the commitment. Okay, so you deposit the $15. I get you into the group, and then you have access to the premium signals. Okay, the market report and more. So if you deposit up to $200, you get into the premium group, access to premium signals, and then you can have a 1 hour live session with me, a Zoom session. Okay, so those are the benefits of you depositing in your BtcDana trading application. Okay, so if you have any question, guys, please feel free to ask me now. We have just 12 minutes left. Okay, so if you have any question at all, throw it at me. Guys, I'm still waiting for your question. I'm waiting. We have 10 minutes left. If you have any question at all, feel free to ask. Use the chat room. Ask your question. Ask question about deposit if you want to deposit. Your benefit I've already shown you. Okay, it's displayed here. You can see. If you are still new to this and you don't know how to start trading, you don't know where to start from, don't worry. We'll have another class for that. Okay, we'll find another time for you. And the time is coming up very soon. I promise you. It might be today, it might be on Monday. Don't worry. But it doesn't matter. You can deposit $15 in your account right now. You can deposit. This is your investment. You can deposit $15 and start making money. It doesn't matter if you are already a trader, if you know how to trade, if you know how it works, if you don't know how it works. All that matters is for you to make money, isn't it? So deposit $15. Deposit 15, just $15. Then you start to make money. Okay? So answer your question, please. Ask your questions. Ask your questions. Ask your questions. Let me answer you on time. We have just 9 minutes left. Okay? Guys, oh yeah, throw your questions. I'm still waiting. Okay, guys. So if you have no questions for me, I believe that means we are able to sort ourselves out, isn't it? So I hope you know how to deposit. The steps you need to start depositing. Okay. So on your screen you see um, the logo, the banner that says deposit. Okay. So click on the banner, and it's going to get you to this point. Okay. It's going to show you transfer, bank transfer. Okay. So when you click on the bank transfer, it's going to bring you here where you can enter the amount you want to deposit. Okay. So you can start doing that right now while I'm saying it. Okay. I want to guide you. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Click on it. You see the banner. You see the banner on your screen. The banner says deposit. Deposit with benefit. Deposit now. Yeah, deposit, deposit. Click on it. So when you click on it, it's not going to take you here. It's going to take you here. Okay. It's going to take you to bank transfer. Now click on the bank transfer, and it's going to take you here where you can enter the amount you want to deposit. So after you've entered the amount you want to deposit, you want to click on deposit again. Deposit now. Okay. So you want to click on deposit now, then it's going to take you to this screen. Okay, with this warning. Remember what I told you the last time about this. This account that is going to be generated for you. Okay, so before it takes you to this screen, it's going to show you this warning. Okay, so this warning is telling you, it's trying to tell you, see, it says the deposit information is valid for one time only. Please do not transfer multiple times, or else your deposit might fail. Okay, so what it's trying to tell you here is, after using this account, okay, if you use it to make your deposit now, don't use it again. So what I do is, because this account lasts for only 30 minutes, whenever I want to make a new deposit, I start the process from the beginning again. Okay, please do not make the mistake of saving this account details down. Okay, this is for one time use only. So whenever you want to make another deposit, always repeat the same step from the beginning. Repeat same step from the beginning. Okay, so always click on your deposit. It's going to take you to bank transfer. Enter the amount you want to deposit. It's going to bring you to this page again. Okay, so it's going to take you to where it's going to generate the account detail. Okay, the account details for you, which is the account name, bank name, and then the account number. Okay, so copy this account number, copy it into your digital banking app, and then send the exact amount that you see here. Do not send below or above. Whatever amount you've entered during here, okay, where you say bank transfer, whatever amount you've entered, always make sure the amount you are making, the transfer you are making tallies with the amount that you've entered earlier. Okay, if it doesn't match, you are going to have a problem. I'm telling you now, so that you not come back to me and be saying, I transferred the 10,000 naira, but I'm not seeing it. Why are you not seeing it? Because you didn't follow instructions. Okay, you didn't follow instructions. Always follow instructions. This is very easy. Okay, enter the amount you want to deposit. After entering the amount, click on deposit. Okay, so when you click on deposit, it's going to take you to this screen. Okay, it's going to take you to this screen right here. Okay, so before this, it's going to show you this warning. So this warning is telling you that this account is only valid for 30 minutes. So do not save this account details. Okay, do not save this account details. So whenever you want to make another deposit, always repeat the steps from the beginning. Okay, always repeat the steps from beginning. So let's assume you made a deposit right now. Maybe you made a deposit of $15 right now, and again you decided, this $15 I made, I want to make another one. Okay, or maybe you decide to go for the master funding, where you have to deposit up to $200. Maybe you deposited $15, then you need to deposit $185 again to make it $200. Okay, so now after depositing the $15, after using this whole process to deposit this $15, you want to go back again. Do not save these account details. Okay, do not save these account details. You want to go back to your screen again, our live stream session. You want to go back there, click on that banner again, click on it. Okay, click on the deposit banner again. It will get you to this bank transfer. So when you get to this bank transfer, enter the amount you want to add to the previous one you've deposited. Enter the new amount. Okay, so if your own is showing in dollar, you are going to see the equivalent in naira here, just below it. Okay, so after entering the amount you want to deposit, click on deposit now. So when you click on deposit now, it's going to show you this screen again, generating another account details for you. Okay, so that is why I said this account only valid for 30 minutes. Do not reuse this account details again. Don't ever try to reuse it. Okay, so whenever you um, successfully deposited into your trading account, if you want to make another deposit, you start the whole process again. Okay, go back to the beginning, click on your deposits, come to this screen again where you see the amount you want to deposit. Okay, so in case you have any question, you still have the time to ask me. If you have any question at all concerning everything that we've discussed, now is your chance. Because I'll be ending the live stream in any minute from now. So if you have any question at all, or you have any trouble, please make use of the comment section below. Okay, so you that is asking me, okay, I got a question now. What is the best time frame for trading? Okay, so the best time frame for trading depends on you, the trader. Okay, so like the example I made from yesterday class, I said I made my own analysis from the 4-hour time frame. Okay, I made my own analysis from the 4-hour time frame. As you can see now, I place this trade from the 30-minute time frame. Okay, it just depends on how the market is working as at that moment. Okay, so I made this analysis from the 4-hour time frame down to 1 hour and then the 30 minutes. In fact, I went to the 15 minutes to see what is going on, but I was able to see it clearly on the 30 minutes. That was why I placed my trade from the 30-minute time frame. Okay, so you can decide to stay with 15 minutes, 30 minutes if you are an intraday trader, but if you are a scalper, you want to go down to maybe like 5 minutes. Okay, but as a beginner, I'll advise you to stick with um, 15 minutes to 4 hours. Okay, always go to the 4 hours first. You want to go to the 4 hours to get your market direction, where your market is going for the day. Okay, if you are in uptrend, you are on downtrend. That is what the higher time frame is for. That is the 4-hour time frame. Okay, you that asked the question, I hope you are listening. Okay. So because if you go to the 4-hour time frame, you'll be able to see your market clearly. Okay. You see where the market is going. Assuming this is our 4 hours now. Let me just delete it. Okay, assuming this is our 4 hours now, you'd know that this market is a downtrend market. Why? Because this is a high, this is a higher low, this is another higher low. Okay, so the market is going down. So whenever the market is going down, it will keep creating a higher low and a lower low for us. Okay, so assuming this high got broken, that means the market is about to change direction. Okay, but with this example right now, we are still in a downtrend market. Okay, so I hope I answered your question for you that said what time frame is best for trading. So you want to make your analysis from the higher time frame, which is the 4-hour time frame. Okay, I use 4 hours personally to get my daily buys. That is, I want to know where the direction of the market is. Is it going to buy or is it selling? Is it changing direction or is it continuing the market trend? Okay, so from my 4 hours, I go to my 1 hour. So what I do in the 1 hour majorly is to see um, the zone where the market is right now, okay, where the market is currently at, what is happening there. Then after that, I go to my 15 minute, my 30 minute or my 15 minutes. Okay, so what I do in the 30 minutes or the 15 minutes is I want to stay with the chart. Okay, I already know where the market is going. The market is going down, so maybe um, I'm marking out a support or resistance zone. Okay, so I'm marking it out, and then I'm on my 30 minutes waiting for the market to come back to the play that I've marked out. So when the market gets to that point, I want to start selling or start buying. Okay, so I hope my explanation was helpful. So please, if you have any other question, you still have the chance. If you have any other question whatsoever, you have the chance to ask me now, because this live session will end very soon. Okay, guys. So I think we have come to the end of our live session for today. If you don't have any question for me, I'd like to end my live session here. So don't forget, our afternoon session is going to start around 12:30 p.m. Nigerian time. Okay, 12:30 p.m. Nigerian time. So please watch out. Okay, because on the live stream we are going to be dropping another profitable signal. So for you that have deposited, don't worry. I'm going to drop a signal for you guys. Okay, so that we go use them to authority the people who never deposit. You now understand now. So you that haven't made any deposit, make sure you deposit before that time. Okay, please. You can start depositing right now while we are still live here. You can deposit right now and tell us in the comment section that you deposit. Okay, so deposit right now, because in the next minute I'm going to go offline. Okay, so Make sure deposit right now. Tell us you've deposited, and then I'll get you into the premium signal channel group. Okay, so you get into the group and you'll be able to get access to the benefits of the money that you've deposited. Okay, so in the afternoon we'll be dropping premium signal, the signal that is going to earn you money. So your $15, we're going to try and take it to $20. Okay, even if possible, we'll double it for you. Okay, but make sure you deposit first. Deposit up to $15. Don't deposit below $15. If you deposit below $15, that means you are not serious with me. Okay, so deposit at least $15. When you deposit $15, I'll be dropping the signal for you guys. Okay, so if there's nothing else, I'll see you in the afternoon session. So enjoy your time before then. Okay, so see you guys in the afternoon. Bye for now.